Alright, so we're going to install this rail wrap for our buddy's LMT. Pull this loose here. Just makes it a little bit easier to slide on. Put it around. We're going to leave the front QD point exposed. Pull that tight, loop it around. Pull this tight right here. Make sure we get it nice and tight. And you just work your way forward, tightening the bungee. This toggle isn't really a toggle to hold the bungee in place completely. It's just a little cinch point so it can go around. Loop that like that, wrap it back, loop it one more time, put it in place and run it through the pick. So since we use Kevlar thread, can't really burn the thread, so we're just going to snip that off right there and we're good to go. And we're all set.